Today I am going to start trigonometrical ratio of standard angle. You know trigonometry I have discussed before. So many classes I have already taken. But trigonometry ratio of standard angle means there is some angle is there that you have to see. See the angles, trigonometry. If angle is 0 degree, if 30 degree, if 45 degree, if the angle is 90 degree, we will go one by one. You know sin theta formula is what? P by h perpendicular by hypotenuse. Just first if I take angle is 0 degree, so what is the value of sin 0? As you know, sin theta formula is what? P by h perpendicular by hypotenuse. If the angle is 0 degree, so perpendicular will be how much? The perpendicular will be 0. Yes or no? If this angle is 0, then this perpendicular will be, this P point will be coincident here. That's means this angle for angle 0, this PM will be 0. Therefore, sin theta formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. If perpendicular is 0, automatically 0 by anything 0. Therefore, sin 0, 0. Take 0, cos 0. As you know, cos theta formula is what? Cos theta formula is base by hypotenuse. Whenever angle is 0, then this line will be coincide at P, means OP is equal to OM. The cos theta formula is what? Base by hypotenuse. Here base is what? OM. Hypotenuse will be OP will be coincided here. That means OP is equal to also OM, because when the angle is 0 degree, this OP is coincided at OM. Therefore, base and hypotenuse will be equal to each other. Cancel becoming 1. What is the value of cos 0? That is 1. Let's come to tan. You know, if I have tan theta formula is 1, you know tan theta formula is perpendicular by base. In case of angle 0 degree, this perpendicular will be converted to 0, because for angle 0, this OP will be coincide this line. This is 0. Perpendicular 0 means tan theta formula is perpendicular by base. Therefore, answer is coming. Is 3 is clear or not? Sin 0 is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, and tan 0 is equal to 0. Reciprocal of sin theta is what? Cosec theta. If sin 0 0 degree, cosec theta will be how much? 1 by 0, not defined. Same process, if cos 0 1, then cos sec 0 will be how much? Reciprocal of cos 0, that is 1, 1 by 1, that is 1. If tan 0 is equal to 0, then cot 0 will be not defined. You see the table here, just see. Sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1, and tan 0, 0. Okay, let us see next one. Just see. See, draw one equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Draw perpendicular from A on BC. Okay, draw perpendicular from A on BC. Now, whatever this angle will be 90 degree. Let the side of the equilateral triangle be x. This is x. This also x. And this total will be x. This total will be x. Now, if I draw perpendicular from opposite vertex to the base, it will bisect the base. This total side x will be converted to x by 2. Yes or no? X by 2. Here also x by 2. Now, this angle will be how much? 60 degree. This angle also 60 degree. What is the angle of this? Total angle 60. This will be 30 degree. This also 30 degree. Okay. Now you see in the triangle ABD. In the triangle ABD. It is a right angle triangle. How to find out AD? That is, AD means what? Perpendicular. How to find out AD? That is x square. Using Pythagoras theorem, x ka whole square, that is hypotenuse, minus x by 2 whole square, root over. It will be how much? X square by 4, x square minus x square by 4, root over. How much you are getting? 4x square minus, that means 3x square by 4, root over. That will be equal to root 3 by 2 into x. Okay. You got the value of AD, that is perpendicular. Now, you have to find out sin 30 degree. See, I am taking this angle, sin 30. For this angle, which is the perpendicular? Angle front side will be the perpendicular. Sin theta formula is P by H. That is perpendicular. P means perpendicular, BD. P by H. H means hypotenuse, that is AB. Now put the value of BD. BD how much? That is x by 2. What is the value of AB? That is x. How much you will get? 1 by 2. So what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. Next find cos 30. Cos 30 formula is, for this angle, cos formula is what? B by S. B by S, base by hypotenuse. For this angle, base will be AD. Base will be AD. By hypotenuse is what? That is AB. What is the value of AD? Already found AD equal to how much? Root 3 x by 2. What is the value of AB? That is x. Now x will be cancelled out. So finally what will you get? Root 3 by 2. So what is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Now come to tan 30. How to find out tan 30? For this angle, you know tan formula is, tan theta formula is what? P by B, perpendicular by base. For this angle, what is P? P means perpendicular, angle front side, that is BD. What is base? For this angle, base is AD. Base is AD. Now, BD is equal to how much? That is x by 2. What is the value of AD? Already found, root 3x. Root 3x by 2. So by 2 cancel, x cancel. How much you are getting? Root 3. This is the value of sin 30 degree. This is the way of calculating sin 30 value, cos 30 value, tan 60 value. Same process you find sin 60 degree. See how to find out sin 60 degree? Sin 60 means you have to consider this angle. For this angle, sin theta formula is what? P by hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse. For this angle, perpendicular will be how much? Angle front side, that is AD. Hypotenuse, that is AB. Okay. Now AD equal to how much? That is root 3x. Already I have calculated root 3x by 2. AB is equal to how much? That is x. Finally we are getting root 3 by 2. AD equal to 6. Already I have calculated here AD. AD means root 3x by 2. That you have to put here. AD value is root 3 x by 2. Right here. Because equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Let the side of the triangle be x. I have taken x. That means AB equal to s, AC equal to x, BC also equal to. Right here, all the sides of a equilateral triangle AB, BC is equal to AC is equal to x. Let. Yes or no? I have taken all the sides be x. Now, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2. Same process, cos 60 find. Cos 60 equal to how much? Cos 60, cos formula is what? Base by hypotenuse. What is the value of cos base for angle this? For this angle, base will be BD. Base by hypotenuse. For this angle, this is 90 degree, 90 front side is, that is AB. Now put the value of BD equal to how much? That is x by 2. What is AB? That is x. How much you are getting? That is 1 by 2. Same process you find tan 60. Tan formula is what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular will how much for this angle? Perpendicular to angle front side, that is AD. Now base will be how much? BD. Because adjacent, see, angle adjacent side is BD, that is the base. Angle front side is always perpendicular. 90 degree front side is hypotenuse. Therefore P by B, P equal to AD by BD. Okay, AD equal to how much? Just to see figure, AD equal to root 3x by 2, BD is x by 2. Finally what you will get? By 2, x cancel, answer is root 3. Just focus here. In first part I have found sin 30 value, cos 30 value, tan 30 value. Next I found sin 60, cos 60, tan 60. Okay. These three angles, 30, 30, 30, sin, cos, tan, and 60 degree angles, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60. If you know the sin 60, you can get reciprocal of that one. How to find out? Just to see. As you know, therefore, sin 30 is equal to how much you got? 1 by 2. So this implies cosec 30 will be how much? Cosec 30 will be reciprocal of this, that is 2. Cos 30 is how much? How much you got? Cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of cos theta? That is sec. Sec 30 will be how much? That is will be 2 by root 3. Same process. Tan 30, how much you got? 1 by root 3. What is the reciprocal of tan 30? That is cos 30. cos 30 will be how much? Only root 3, reciprocal of this. As you know, sin 30 and cosec 30, they are reciprocal to each other. Sin 30 1 by 2 means cosec 30 will be reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of cos? That is sec. So what is the answer? 2 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of tan 30 is cos 30. I have written here theta, just write it 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is equal to only root 3. Same process. Sin 60 equal to how much you got? Root 3 by 2. Cos 60 equal to how much? 1 by 2. Tan 60 equal to how much? Root 3. Sin 60 reciprocal will be cosec 60 degree. That will be 2 by root 3. Cos 60 reciprocal will be sec 60. That will be 2. Reciprocal 1 by 2. Tan 60. See, let us draw one right angle triangle. PMO. From the figure you see, this is a right angle triangle. Let this angle be theta. Angle front side will be perpendicular. This angle, for this angle, this is the base. Adjacent side will be the base. 90 degree front side is hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, if I will take one angle is theta, the angle adjacent side is base. That is here OAP is the base. 90 degree front side, that is hypotenuse. OP is the hypotenuse. And angle front side, that is perpendicular. So in this right hand triangle, already how much P? P is perpendicular, that is PM. Base means here OM, hypotenuse means OP. If this angle is 90 degree, means this angle will be 90 degree when this O will come to at M. If O point will come towards at M, this angle will be converted to 90 degree. In that case, base will be 0. For the angle theta will be 90 degree. That means O and M will be coincide each other. That means theta 90 means PO is equal to PM. Is it clear or not? Now find sin 90. As you know, sin 90, sin theta formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is how much? PM. Hypotenuse is what? PO. But when angle is 90 degree, PO is converted to PM. Therefore, MP by MP equal to how much? 1. Therefore, sin 90 equal to how much? Next come to cos 90 degree. For cos theta, what is the formula? Base by hypotenuse. Base here OM. Base by hypotenuse, that is OP. Here OM 0 because when theta is 90 degree, this O will be coincide with M. That means theta 90 degree means OM will be 0. 0 by anything equal to 0. Therefore cos 90 equal to 0. Next come to tan 90. In case of tan theta formula is what? P by B, perpendicular P by B, perpendicular by base, P by B. Tan 90 formula is what? That I have written here. MP P by base, perpendicular by base. Here base is what? OM. But for 90 degree, base will be to 0. OM will be coincide. O and M will be coincide to each other. Coincide means what? Same point. Then it will be 90 degree. Then then tan 90 equal to how much? MP by 0. Anything by 0 means that is not defined, infinity. Therefore, you got the value of sin 90, cos 90, tan 90. If you know the sin, cos, tan, then reciprocal of sin is what? Cosec. It will become 1. Reciprocal of cos is what? Sec 90. Sec 90 will be how much? 1 by 0, not defined. Reciprocal of tan 90, that will be cot 90, that is 1 by infinity, means this will come 0. Anything by infinity 0. Okay. This is all about how to calculate 90 degree of trigonometrical ratio. For sin 90, cos 90, tan 90. Reciprocal of sin, that is cosec. Reciprocal of cos, that is sec. Reciprocal of tan, that is cot 90. In this way you can calculate. Next you come to 45 degree. For the angle 45 degree, if this angle is 45 degree and this is 90 degree, automatically this side will be equal to this side. Means for this angle, base and perpendicular will be equal. If base and perpendicular equal, what is the value of tan 45? Tan theta formula is what? P by B. Here P and P both are equal, therefore it will come 1. Let's come to sin 45. Sin 45 means sin theta formula is P by H. P means here PM by hypotenuse. Here, how to find out hypotenuse? That will be root 2 into side. Root 2 into side as per the Pythagoras theorem, root 2 into side. Okay. How much you are getting? Finally you are getting 1 by root 2. Same process you can find cos 45. Okay, cos 45 base by hypotenuse. If you know the tan 45, then you can get cot 45, that also 1 it will come. If you know sin 45 1 by root 2, cosec 45 will be how much? Root 2 by 1, that is root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. Reciprocal of cos is how much? Sec. What is the answer? Same thing it will come. That is sin 45, cos 45 are same, only tan 45 1. That is already you are able to find out the value of 0 degree. See, 0 degree. Before I told 30 degree, 60 degree. Now you are getting 90 degree. Again 45 degree. Total table clear? Okay. Let us see the table here. See, already I have discussed what is the value of sine. See, theta here I have taken as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Sine 0 equal to how much? Told sine 0, 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, that is 1 by root 2. And sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, how much I told? Sine 90, 1. Okay. Only you have to memorize this one. Then, just for cos 0, just reciprocally write. 1, cos 0 is how much? 1. Then it will come, cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by root 2. Then cos 45 or sin 45 both are same, 1 by root 2. Cos 45 and sin 45 both are equal. Next cos 60 will be how much? 1 by 2. Cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. And cos 0, that will be 0. Sorry, cos 90 is 0. This is equivalent to sin 0. If you can memorize this line, then cos will be just reciprocal. You see, 1 is coming here, root 3 by 2 here, this is same, then 1 by 2 coming here, 0 is coming here. That means sin 0 is equal to cos 90. Sin 30 is equal to cos 60. Sin 45 is equal to cos 50. Because both the angles sum should be 90 degrees. Because cos 60 is equal to sin 30. Same process, tan formula is what? Tan theta formula is no? Sin theta by cos theta. 0 by 1 is equal to how much? 0. And tan theta formula is sin by cos 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. That means finally it will be how much? 1 by root 3. Okay, both you can memorize. Either you have to memorize this one, already I have calculated to find out. Same process, tan 45, this by this, sin theta by cos theta, how much? 1. Same thing, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 to how much? Only root 3. Next 1 by 0, that is not defined. Okay, sin cos tan, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta value got up to 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Cosec means what? Reciprocal of sin theta. What is the reciprocal of 0? That is not defined. Now cosec 30, reciprocal of sin 30, that is 2. Cosec 45, reciprocal of sin 45, that is root 2. Then cosec 60, reciprocal of sin 60, that is 2 by root 3. 2 by. Again, cosec 90, reciprocal of sin 90, that is 1. Next come to sec theta. Sec means cos 0, how much? 1. The sec 0 is how much? Reciprocal of 1 is how much? 1. Next, cos 30 root 3 by 2, reciprocal will be 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. Next, cos 45, 1 by root 2, then sec 45 will be reciprocal, that is root 2. Next to see cos 60, 1 by 2, therefore sec 60 is how much? Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is how much? 2. Next, cos 0 is how much? Cos 0 is 0. Then, cos 90 is how much? 0 coming. Cos 90 is 0. Therefore, sec 90 is how much? Reciprocal of 0 means 1 by 0. That is not defined. Just memorize here. Anything by 0, that is infinity, or 0 by anything. 0 by anything will be 0. This is the technique you have to memorize here. Next come to cot. Just reciprocal of tan theta. Tan 0 is our 0. Therefore, cot 0 will be not defined. Infinity. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Cot 30 will be root 3. Reciprocal. Root 3. Tan 45, 1. Cot 40 will be also 1. Reciprocal 1 is 1. Tan 60 root 3. Reciprocal root 3 will be how much? 1 by root 3. Next comes to tan 90, not defined. Cot 90 will be 0, because 1 by infinity means 0. 0. This is all about how to find out the angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree. Okay. This is all about the basic idea about the trigonometrical table. Just writing here reciprocal relation. Okay. Just to see reciprocal relation. Reciprocal. What is the reciprocal relation? Already I have discussed before. Let me write again. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Yes or no? Same thing, cosec will be 1 by sin, and cos theta will be 1 by sec theta. Reverse you can write also. Tan theta reciprocal cot, that means 1 by cot. Yes or no? This three you have to memorize. One more thing you have to memorize here for class 11 it is required. What is that? Just to see. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Pi radian, this is radian symbol, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 30 degree will be how much? That is pi by 6. 45 degree will be how much? That is pi by 4. And 60 degree how much? That is pi by 3. Pi means 180 degree. Pi by 3. In modern table, in class 11, you have to study in terms of degree. You have to convert radian form. Means 30 degree is how much? Pi by 6. 45 means pi by 4. 60 degree means pi by 3. And pi means 180 degree. Therefore, 360 means what? 2 pi. 2 pi. These are all radian form. In higher classes, you will study here. Try to memorize all those tables today. Thank you for today's class. Next, we will continue this chapter solving more sum. Thank you for today.